Byte-Sized Tech, where we blend casual conversations with insightful discussions on the latest in technology and gadgets.
Glad to be here.
So today, we're doing a bit of a quick dive, just hitting some highlights from the tech world that caught our eye.
Yeah, some interesting, maybe slightly odd developments.
Exactly. We've got Apple's new CarPlay showing up in unexpected places. Then there's an AI getting into a little legal trouble. Well, causing it.
The hallucination issue.
That's the one.
Yeah.
And TikTok trying to help us sleep, which is something.
Okay.
And finally, something pretty out there. AI designing the actual chips that run AI.
That one's definitely a bit mind-bending. Should be a fun tour.
All right, let's jump in. First, Apple CarPlay. This new version, they're calling it CarPlay Ultra.
Right. The big update. More integration, more screens.
Yeah, sounds great. But the launch vehicles. Okay, first up is Aston Martin.
Okay, premium. Makes sense, maybe. Showcase the tech.
Right. But then the next brand announced is Subaru.
Aston Martin. Then Subaru. Okay. That's quite the pairing.
It is, isn't it? I mean, I just get this image of, super spy luxury car, then dependable family wagon, both getting the same cutting-edge infotainment.
It's definitely a curious rollout strategy. Maybe it's about different technical challenges, or maybe it really is just about creating buzz at both ends of the market. High-end aspiration, then mainstream practicality.
Could be. Or maybe Subaru just really, really wanted it. Who knows? But it's a big deal for in-car tech anyway.
Oh, absolutely. The car dashboard is prime real estate for tech companies now.
Okay, so completely switching gears now. Let's talk AI. Specifically, Anthropic's AI, Claude.
Right, one of the major players.
So their own lawyer, in a legal filing, used a case citation that wasn't real.
Uh-oh.
Yeah. And they had to admit, oops, Claude basically just made it up. Hallucinated it.
Yikes. That's a textbook example of AI hallucination, and in a really high-stakes environment, too.
Exactly. Legal arguments depend on actual precedents, actual case law.
Precisely. These AI models are amazing at finding patterns and generating text that sounds plausible, but they don't inherently know what's true or factual. They can confidently state things that are just wrong.
So inventing a legal case citation is a pretty big wrong.
A very big wrong. It just hammers home how crucial human oversight and fact-checking still are. You can't just trust the output blindly, especially not for legal work or medical diagnoses or anything critical.
Good reminder. Okay, from serious legal matters to, TikTok.
Okay, where are we going with this?
They're adding guided meditation exercises in the app.
TikTok is adding meditation. The endless scroll app.
The very same. Apparently, the idea is to help users, especially teenagers, put the phone down at night, stop scrolling, get some sleep.
Huh. That's an interesting approach. Kind of ironic, maybe.
Right. It feels a little like the casino offering pamphlets on managing your gambling habit on the way out.
Hey, yeah. But I suppose, on the other hand, maybe putting wellness tools where the users are could actually reach some people.
That's the positive spin, yeah. And get this. For users under 18, this feature will apparently be turned on by default.
Oh, default on for teens. That's a definite nudge. Trying to build responsible habits, maybe? Or at least appear to be.
Could be. We'll see if kids actually meditate on TikTok or just, scroll past it to the next dance challenge.
The engagement metrics on that will be fascinating, I bet.
Definitely. Okay, last one. And this one feels a bit sci-fi. Generative AI for designing computer chips.
Yes, Cognichip. I saw this. Using AI to design the hardware that AI itself runs on.
It's so circular. This startup, Cognichip, they have this, really ambitious plan to boost the U.S. semiconductor industry.
Which definitely needs boosting, or at least diversifying.
Right. And their core idea is to use generative AI, build a kind of foundational model for chip design. The AI would help architect new chips, potentially way faster than humans can.
It's a radical idea. Chip design is incredibly complex, takes huge teams ages. If AI can learn the rules, the physics, the constraints, and then generate novel, optimized designs, that could change everything.
How so? What's the big potential impact?
Well, potentially, it could drastically lower the barrier to entry, make it faster and cheaper to design custom chips. You could see more startups, more innovation, and maybe specialized chips for specific AI tasks popping up much more quickly.
So AI designing better brains for itself, essentially.
In a way, yeah. It's one of those things where the technology starts accelerating its own development. Pretty wild stuff.
It really is. So yeah, quite the range today. We went from James Bond's dashboard to AI making legal blunders, TikTok trying to be Zen, and now AI building its own hardware foundations.
It shows just how technology is weaving itself into absolutely everything, doesn't it? Commutes, courts, sleep, the very silicon that powers it all, and raising all sorts of new questions along the way.
Absolutely. Food for thought for sure. All right, that's probably all we have time for in this quick dive.
Kept it bite-sized.
Huh, exactly. Thanks for tuning in to Byte-Sized Tech. If you enjoyed the episode, like, comment, share, and subscribe for more fun tech discussions.